In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the StubHub app on Android. This process is straightforward and will have you set up in no time, so let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will launch the app, and you will see a wide array of applications available for download. This is your gateway to finding the StubHub app, which is essential for buying and selling event tickets with ease. If you are prompted to log in, please do so with your Google account. This step is important because it ensures that you have access to all your purchased apps and settings. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the screen and type StubHub. The search bar is your tool to quickly find the app you need among millions available. After you input StubHub, you will see a list of results populate below the search bar. This is a crucial step as accurate typing ensures you find the right app without confusion. If you see a suggestion for StubHub as you type, you can tap that to save time. After that, select the official StubHub MIT Event Tickets app from the search results. The official app typically has the StubHub logo, which is an orange background with a white ticket icon. Choosing the correct app is vital because it ensures you are downloading the legitimate application, which is secure and reliable. Always double-check the app name and developer to avoid downloading a similar-looking but untrustworthy app. Now, tap the Install button that appears on the app page. This button is usually green and easily visible. By tapping Install, you are beginning the download and installation process. This step is essential because it allows the app to be added to your device, giving you access to StubHub's ticketing services right at your fingertips. You may see a progress bar indicating that the app is downloading. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message. Finally, once the app is installed, you will see an Open button appear. Tapping this will launch the StubHub app for the first time. You may also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer for future access. This last step is important because it allows you to start exploring events and purchasing tickets immediately. You're now ready to enjoy everything StubHub has to offer, from concerts to sports events. In summary, opening the Google Play Store, searching for the app, selecting it, and tapping Install are all simple steps that lead you to download the StubHub app on your Android device. Each step ensures that you have the right application installed securely. Enjoy your new app and happy ticket buying!